Here's a third problem. English has 26 letters, but has 44 distinct sounds. This is quite confusing. Our children learn 26 letters, but English has 44 distinct sounds. Unfortunately, we don't teach these sounds effectively, which is crucial for accurate pronunciation and fluency. Consider the difference between the sounds v and w. W. In many languages, these sounds are not distinct, leading to mispronunciations like very instead of very. See the difference? Very instead of very. So, without proper phonetic training, children struggle to distinguish and correctly produce these sounds, which can, of course, affect their overall fluency and confidence. Our programs like My Sound delve deeply into these sounds. In this course, Module 3 provides an introduction to all consonants. You must watch, okay? The module number 3, you will get an introduction to all consonants, vowels, and diphthongs. Make sure you watch it to understand more about English sounds and how to teach your child effectively.